I have been using the Google Pixel 8a for about 2 months now, and it has one major flaw that I have to talk about. The Google Pixel 8a has a sub 4500 milliamp battery. I can get about 5 hours of screen on time, but heck, even my most powerful devices can get even more than that, and they suck up a lot more energy. This device can get around 5 hours of screen on time, which is very good in a lot of cases, but I do believe that's not enough for a gamer who actually likes to play a lot of mobile games. That being said, it does have a very good camera, and that actually is what I think a lot of people should get this device for rather than gaming. Look, the biggest flaw in the Google Pixel 8a would have to be the battery. I mean, this device has a big battery consumption, even though it only has 4,992 milliamp battery capacity. But it has a really good camera, like a extremely good camera for this device. It has a 64 megapixel back camera, and that is just amazing. The main back camera is 64 megapixels, but it does have a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens, so that's really good for a budget device. All phones are going to have compromises, and you just have to remember that. When we look at this device, what do you see? I see a good phone that has a decent battery capacity around 4,500, sub 4,500, but still, it's a good device whenever it comes to things that do not need the battery to be drained a lot. If you really do need to game on this device, it's usable. It does have a Tensor G3 chipset, and it has 8 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. So in conclusion, there's a lot of good things about this device, but there is a few compromises you're going to have to make with it if you're planning on gaming on this device, because it does have a battery consumption problem. Thank you all 536 subscribers. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. But also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section down below, and I will most likely read it. Thank you. If you did not like this video, I'm going to go tell your mama.